Howdy, y'all. Well, I watched the YSL trial. I believe it's day 108. It's hard to believe that it's been that long, but it has. The judge yesterday at close of court gave prosecutor Love until noon today to turn in a whole bunch of documents. Noon today, judge asked her specifically for those documents. She wasn't ready. Asked her if she would have them by midnight tonight. She said doubtful. Then she told her that she had to have them by noon on Friday. This whole thing is just a big cluster. You know, I really like this judge. She's fair. She doesn't yell and scream at the defense lawyers. And she gives them deadlines when they have to have stuff turned in by. And just amazing the utter incompetence on the defense team, or not the defense team, the prosecution team, that the judge gave her a specific time when she had to have them turned in by. She didn't have them turned in. Amazing. She did finish Max Shart's motion for fair trial and to disqualify the DAs Love and Hilton for misconduct. At the close of court today, she said she had it finished. She just hadn't filed it yet. So that'll be coming either this afternoon or in the morning. And then there's Doug Weinstein's motion to dismiss, which I honestly believe she's going to wait until the jury comes back, because her Georgia Supreme Court, when the jury comes back after a long time of being out, they have to ask each jury if they have the ability to forget a whole bunch of testimony and a whole bunch of things that went on, because Georgia law requires that from the time that the recusal motion is requested, if that judge denies it and then another court makes the recusal, then everything in between has to be stricken from the record. And that whole week, they had Kenneth Copeland's testimony. He testified from the 7th until like the 17th or something like that. It was almost a week and 2 days. It was quite a while. And so because the recusal motion of Judge Glanville was entered, I think it was the 17th, something like that, and it was to take effect on the 12th. So any court proceedings from the 12th to the 17th have to be stricken from the record. And so the judge said today that when the jury comes back on Monday, she's going to have to ask them if they can forget his testimony, if they have heard about the case while they've been out, if they have heard about, if four, what I read is right, if four jurors say that they heard about the case while they were out, then it's a mistrial. And then I would think she would hold a hearing on whether it was with or without prejudice because of the DA's, I would call it incompetence, but they're calling it prosecutorial misconduct because she withheld evidence from them for months. Like, example, one thing that was brought out yesterday was that she knew about a phone number connect to a guy named Boyer that's not charged in the indictment and not, she doesn't think he's connected. She knew about all that and she didn't turn that over to the defense that she's known since fall of 2023. That's almost a year. And the judge was really not happy yesterday. So we'll see what happens, see where it goes. I'll talk to you again later. Bye.